What if your next car wasn't built by humans, but by Tesla's humanoid robots? Elon Musk just announced a major breakthrough that could reshape the future of manufacturing. Get ready, because Tesla's robot revolution is closer than you think. Welcome back to Interesting Facts, where we explore cutting-edge tech and futuristic innovations. Today, we're diving into Tesla's game-changing humanoid robots, set to hit production lines as soon as next year. Stay tuned to learn how these bots could transform industries beyond cars. Elon Musk revealed that Tesla's humanoid robots, called Optimus, will begin working in low production at Tesla factories in 2025. And by 2026, they could handle large-scale production for other companies. This marks a significant step forward, months after Musk initially aimed for a late 2024 rollout. Tesla isn't alone in the robot race. Japan's Honda and Hyundai's Boston Dynamics have been developing humanoid robots for years. But Musk's vision goes beyond factory work. He wants these bots to tackle dangerous and repetitive jobs in industries like logistics, warehousing, and beyond. Imagine warehouses running 24/7 without human fatigue. Tesla first showcased its humanoid robot prototype, Bumblebee, back in September 2022. A year later, the second-generation robot stunned the world by folding a t-shirt in a viral demonstration. These robots could soon perform tasks previously reserved for human hands. Of course, Musk has made bold promises before. In 2019, he pledged that Tesla's robotaxi network would be operational by 2020. That deadline came and went. Just last week, he admitted that the robotaxi project faced delays due to a critical design change request. Still, Musk's pivot toward artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, and humanoid robots reflects Tesla's evolving strategy amid slowing electric vehicle demand. Over 80% of Tesla's revenue still comes from EV sales, but Musk clearly sees robots as the next frontier. Tesla's upcoming quarterly report could shed more light on these ambitious plans. Will humanoid robots redefine production as we know it? Or is this another bold claim destined for delay? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future content. Thanks for watching.